Hello everyone and welcome back. News headlines in English for 19th of April. And first of all, national news. India rejected Bangladesh remarks on West Bengal. India showcased digital innovations at GI Techs Africa 2025. PM Modi to inaugurate Vizhinjam International Seaport on May 2. Indian astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla set for space travel in May. PM Modi discussed tech innovation collaboration with Tesla CEO Elon Musk. Government committed to make India self-reliant in defense sector, Rajnath Singh. And now some international news. US will drop Ukraine-Russia peace efforts if no progress within days, US Secretary of State. US unveiled new port fees for Chinese linked ships. Singapore Defense Minister NG Ing Hen resigned, not in running for May 3 elections. Now some sports news. Veer Kotrani and Anahat Singh reached semi-finals at Asia qualifying event for World Squash Championship. Nishchit threw 19.59 meter to bag silver in shot put at Asian Under-18 Athletics Championships. India sent 56-member squad to Asian Under-15 and Under-17 Boxing Championship in Jordan. Indian shooters drew blank at ISSF World Cup in Lima. India's Shaurya Ambur won bronze in Under-18 100-meter hurdles. Now news related to business. India's forex reserve rose by $1.56 billion, crossed $677.8 billion mark. Financial year 25, India pharma export crossed $30 billion, surged 31% in March. No GST on UPI transactions over 2,000 clarifies government. And gold imports rose 192% to $4.47 billion in March. And that's all in news. Thank you.